Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the mail notification remind me alert sounds on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on settings. Now in settings, we scroll down and from here tap on mail. Next, go down and tap on notifications. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on customize notifications. After that, tap on remind me and then make sure you turn on alerts and then tap on sound. From here you can choose a different sound. Okay, so select a sound for the remind me alert. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.